In this video, we are going to see that if you want to connect your Riot Games account to Discord account, here is how you can connect it easily. First of all, you want to head over to your profile. If you're not already in your profile and you are on the home tab, just click on the bottom right on U button. And from here, just click on the top right corner. You can see this little gear icon which says settings. Just click on that. And once we are in here, just scroll a little bit down. In the account settings, you have to keep it in account settings, but scroll a little bit down, you can see connections here. And here all the popular apps are shown. If you can't see the Riot accounts, you need to click on 18+. And from here, you can scroll down until you find one. This is Riot Games. Go ahead and click on that. And here we just need to put in our username and password, or you can connect it with Facebook, Google, whatever you want. And as soon as you sign in, it will automatically connect directly to your Discord account using an API, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.